Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see in the unit ration numbers exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1 3 marks we are going to see today. So first question number 3, verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for first option x value is 11 by 15, second one x equal to minus 13 divided by 17. Okay, these are the questions. We substitute the value of x in the equation minus of minus x equal to x. We want to verify that minus of, that is, this is the left hand side, minus of minus x is left hand side, right hand side is x. Okay, we want to verify that both values are equal. Okay, now the first one, given value x equal to 11 by 15. Okay, so we take the left hand side of the equation, that is LHS. LHS equal to left hand side is equal to minus of minus x. In this equation we are going to substitute the value of x. Okay, so write this minus bracket minus 11 by 15. Okay, we all know the product of minus into minus, product rule, that is minus into minus is equal to what? Plus. Very good. So minus into minus is plus, so write here plus 11 by 15. Okay, this is the left hand side value. Okay, now we are going to find the right hand side value. Right hand side RHS is equal to, see, in this equation RHS is what? X. Okay, right, RHS is equal to x. What is the value of x? X equal to 11 by 15. Both plus 11 by 15 and 11 by 15 are equal. So now left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we verify that, hence verified. Okay. So this is the first part of the given question, x equal to 11 by 15. Next we will do x equal to minus 13 by 17. Second one, x equal to minus 13 divided by 17. Okay, the same method, take the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to minus of minus x is equal to, right, minus of minus, what is the x value here? Minus 13 by 17. So right here minus 13 divided by 17. Here two symbols are there, so put the bracket, one more bracket. Okay, now see, there are three symbols are here. We want to convert it one symbol. So now see, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Otherwise you multiply these two minus. Minus into minus what? Plus. Okay, so right here minus. This minus into minus is plus 13 divided by 17. Okay, now see, minus into plus is minus 13 divided by 17. This is the left hand side value. Okay, see, now we will take the right hand side in the equation. The equation right hand side is x. What is the value of x in this sum? Minus 13 by 17. Okay, minus 13 divided by 17. So both values are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both sides are equal, so that right, hence verified. Okay, so that's all in this sum, that is 3 mark. Now question number 6. This is also a 3 mark. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Okay, this is the question. Now multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Okay, see, we want to multiply two fractions. That is, one of the fraction is 6 by 13. Another one is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16? 16 by minus 16 by 7. Okay, the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. Okay, so first we find out that, then we multiply with 6 by 13. So now what we have? We have 6 by 13. This is one fraction. Another one is, and the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Okay, these only we are having now. So now the next step, the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. This is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. Okay, now we multiply that. What? 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7. So okay, we want to multiply this. Check these numbers are cancel or not. The numerator and denominator, 7, 16, 13, 6, it is not cancel. Okay, so we multiply the numerator, 6 into minus 16 divided by 13 into 7. Okay, we multiply this. Now multiply this, 16 into 6. 16 into 6, what we get? 6 6 are 36, 3 96. Okay, minus 96 divided by, in 13 table 7. 13 into 7 is 91. Okay, this is the answer. So 6 by 13 into minus 16 by 7 is equal to minus 96 by 91. Okay, this is the solution of the equation. Okay, now question number 7. Tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. See, tell what property allows you to compute. So 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. In the 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 இந்த மாதிரி ரைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி இங்கே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்? 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 அப்படின்னு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் அப்படின்றத நம்மள ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ண சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, நவ் first step we write what we have. We have 1 by 3 into, write the question as it is, 4 by 3 can be computed. அதை compute பண்ணுறோம் இந்த மாதிரி. எப்படி? 1 by 3 into 6. How you read this? 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Okay, now 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Okay, so we are going to use the property. Which property is used here? See, listen. A cross B cross C. Okay, A cross B cross C. Write as A cross B cross C. Okay, so in the bracket தான் change ஆயிருக்கு. See, this is A into B into C. We write as A into B into C. இப்படி ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, அவ்வளோதான் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ். A into B into C is equal to அதே A into B into C. இந்த bracket தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. A, B, C values are same only. Okay, ஸோ அப்போ இங்கே என்ன ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கு? We all know the property A cross B is equal to, இந்த A cross B எப்படி ரைட் பண்ணலாம்? நம்ம ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஒன்று ரைட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். B cross A ரைட் பண்ணலாமா? A cross B is equal to B cross A. Okay, so here A cross B cross C can be computed as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. See, இப்போ A cross B is equal to B cross Aன்னு சொன்னோம் அப்படின்னம்னா this is called commutative இல்லையா? ஸோ AB டூ ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு வந்து அங்கே அப்ளை ஆகும். பட் see here ABC த்ரீ ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ ஏபிசி த்ரீ அப்போ த்ரீ அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது this law is what? Associative. ஓகே, இங்கே எல்லாமே ப்ராடக்டில் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கனால யூஸிங் அசோசியேட்டிவ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். ஓகே, சப்போஸ் இங்கே ப்ளஸ் அப்ளை பண்ணியிருந்தோம்னா அண்டர் அடிஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கனால so under multiplication this is called associative because three rational numbers are using here. Okay, 2 இருந்தனா that is commutative அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so now we write the property. Name of the property என்னன்றதை நம்ம ரைட் பண்ணா போதும். The property is associative. Under multiplication. This property is associative under multiplication. So you write this property. What is that? A into B, A cross otherwise A into எப்படி வேணா நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This is a property. We are using this property only. Okay, now the homework is do page 7 worksheet number 3 in practice workbook 345. Do worksheet number 345 in practice workbook. Page number 7, worksheet number 345 in your practice workbook, and then you read the mind map of properties of rational number. Okay, read the mind map. What is that? Properties of rational numbers. Okay, this is very important, the properties and all. If you know the properties, then only you can able to do the sums. Okay, so that you should read the mind map. Okay, thank you students.